everyone. My name is Anita Swaraj. I am studying in class 2A. Today I am going to present about properties of air. What is air? Air is everywhere. It is very important in our lives. Today I am going to do 3 experiments of properties of air. The first one is air occupies space. The second one is air has weight. The third one is air expands when heated. Air occupies space. For this activity, we need a plastic bottle and keep it on your table and a tub filled of clean water. Now put the bottle upside down and press and observe what happens. The water doesn't enter the bottle even on pressing. Now slightly put the bottle up and observe what happens. The air bubbles have escaped and water is entering to the bottle. This means air occupies space. The second property is air has weight. Take 2 balloons of equal size and weight. Tie the tips of the balloons with the stick. Attach the string at the center of the stick and lift the balloons. As you can see, they have the equal weight. Now pop one of these. The empty one goes to up and the heavy one goes to down. This means air has weight. The third property is air expands when heated. Now we need a empty bottle and a balloon attached to it. A bowl filled of hot water. Now put the bottle inside the hot water and observe what happens. So, you can see that air inside the bottle, when it gets heated, the balloon rises up. This means air expands when heated. Thank you.